Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we are going to see students chapter 7, standard 7th. Chapter 7, complement, subject and object. There are two types of complements, subject complement and object complement. Subject complement is a word or a phrase used after a verb to describe the subject. So, subject complement is a word that or a phrase that is uh, shown after a verb or describe the subject. The underlined words and phrases in the following sentences are subject complement. For example, I am tired. Okay, so subject complement is tired. My cousin became an actress. An actress is a subject complement. The word tried and phrase an actress describes the subject of the verb. Therefore, they are subject complements. The complement of the intransitive verb always say something about the subject and is therefore also a subject complement. Mari is beautiful. Here complement beautiful says something about the subject, that is Mari. They seemed upset. Here the complement upset says something about the subject, that is they. Okay, that is they. Let us move to the page. The chief verb of the complete prediction is, be, is, am, are, was, were, shall, be, and will be. Others are, seems, appear, look, become, grow, feel, turn, taste, etc. The night grew dark. Here the adjective dark is the complement of the verb grew. The milk turned sour. Here the adjective sour is complement to the verb turned. Thus, the subject complement may be of different kinds. It could be an adjective, a noun, or pronoun, a particular, an informative, an adverb, or a phrase. For example, her brother is a good writer, noun. Okay. The little girl looked sleepy. This is an adjective. The old woman was talking to herself. Present participle. He is to go. Infinitive. Mosquitoes are everywhere. Adverb. Okay. Now the words which are in dark. Dark. They are noun, adjective, present participle, and infinitive. An adjective complement comes after the object of a verb and gives us information about an object. The underlined words and phrase in the following sentences are object complement. First, the director made her the lead actress. We found the film interesting. The phrase the lead actress gives us information about the object her. The word interesting gives us information about the object, the film. More examples have been given below. Aditya calls his dog Raja. Okay, subject is Aditya, verb is calls, object is his dog, and object complement is Raja. The members elected Mrs. Shalini their president. So the subject is the members, verb is elected, and object is Mrs. Shalini, and object complement is their president. Next, the king named his youngest son his successor. So the subject is the king, verb is named, other subject object is his younger son, and object complement is his successor. Note, the object complement can also be an adjective or an adjectival phrase. For example, my reply made my father angry. So the subject is my reply, verb is made, object is my father, and object complement is angry. The manager kept the clerk always busy. Subject is the manager, verb is kept, object is the clerk, and object complement is always busy. Okay. The teacher considered the girl very studious. Subject is the teacher, verb is considered, object is the girl, and object complement is very studious. The judge around the accused guilty. Subject is the judge, verb is found, object is the accused, object complement is guilty. We proved them wrong. Subject is we, verb is proved, object is them, and object complement is wrong. Now we will move to the exercise 7. Put out the adjective and state its kind, object or subject complement. She was quite studious and intelligent. Quite studious and intelligent are subject complement. Mrs. Sen found her subdued. Subdued object complement. She was too proud. Too proud is subject complement. He was big and strong and very fierce. Big and strong and very fierce is subject complement. The camel was happy and grateful. Happy and great both are subject complement. The azure blue sky was now looking jet black. Jet black subject complement. She felt terribly guilty. Terribly guilty subject complement. The horizon grew wider and clearer. Wider and clearer subject complement. A forecastle cannon was immediately loaded and leveled. Loaded and leveled subject complement. The monster seemed motionless. Motionless subject complement. So dear students, we have seen chapter 7, that is complement, subject and object. Let us, dear students, you will read this whole lesson and you will find out more subject and object and then complement. Thank you.